Hi, today we're going to replace the lamp in the Epson projector. The model is the Epson EB-1780W. All you need to replace the lamp is a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and a spare lamp, of course. To replace the lamp in the projector, it's quite simple. The lamp is sitting under the plastic panel in the back corner over here. Very important. The lamp is very hot. If you just took it out, if the projector was just working, wait, give it 15-20 minutes to cool down, even more if you can, before replacing it. Otherwise, you're in danger of burning yourself. To take off the top panel, all you have to do is unscrew the screw over here. It doesn't come out all the way. You have to unscrew it and wait till it sort of gets free, and then lift the panel. I'll show you. You can see that the screw is free, loose. Slide the panel back until there's no more place to go, and then lift it up. Under the panel we have the lamp. The lamp is quite simple to take out. It's only held down by a metal spring. The spring is under two plastic locks, 1, 2. Right now we already came out before I was using this. So I'll show you from the beginning. See, it's sitting under the two plastic locks. You just gotta move it from one side to the other until it comes out, and it's out. Now, to take out the lamp, it's really not held in by anything else besides the spring. You have a cardboard flap on top in order to lift it and take it out. I also recommend using sort of this metal piece here. I'll show you from the side, it might be easier to see. Sort of lift and pull straight up. The first time the lamp's coming out, you might need to use a little more strength. Try to be as gentle as possible. Very delicate. Pull straight up and take it out. Under the lamp, you can see it has two circular indents over there, and the connection to the projector. The indents go over here in the two holes here, and the connection to the projector is over here. The spare lamp, it looks exactly the same way as this when it comes out. It comes in this box. Open it up, take out everything. It's sort of sitting in there. I don't want to take it out right now since this lamp, the one we have here, is still in working condition. Putting it back in, I'm not gonna line it up just to show you what happens when it's not lined up correctly. See that the holes aren't lined up, and when I push down, the spring doesn't go down all the way. So if you experience this, raise up the spring again, take out the lamp one more time, line up the holes with the holes inside, make sure that they're sitting correctly, push in, and if it goes in all the way and you feel it's stable, no room to move around, then you could put the spring back, like I said, under the plastic locks, and you could put the panel back inside, put it down, slide it in, screw it back, and it's good to go. The projector is ready. Make sure to go into the lamp hours and reset it to 0 hours. Besides that, the lamp is ready and operational.